Hi, it's Dave with a tutorial on how to add a PDF to your website. We don't recommend that you add too many PDFs to your website, but sometimes you'll want to add some. This client, for example, has some letters of recommendation from her clients in PDF form that she wants to add to the website and not have to retype them. So here is how you do that, and it's pretty straightforward. First, come to the page that you want to add the PDF to. In this case, it's called Letters of Recommendation. This is just a quick page I made and am now editing where I can put this PDF. If you don't remember how to create a page or how to edit a page, please go back and watch our previous tutorials. So from the editing portion, I'm going to come here and add a block to this page by clicking the plus arrow or plus sign. And it might not be the first one for you, but in the block section you'll find one called PDF Embedder. So we're going to add a PDF Embedder block. That block is now added, and it says very clearly here, click here to open Media Library to select PDF. So I'm going to click it, and I've saved the letter of recommendation PDF on my desktop. So I'm going to go to my desktop and drag it in. Letter of recommendation, dragging it in. You could also choose from a PDF that's already in your media library, or choose this Upload Files tab to use the classic file uploader like this. But in this case, I'm just going to drag and drop it in. Make sure it's selected, and then of course save that work by clicking select. Now in the block you'll see that there is a PDF link here, and that's where the PDF will display. I'm going to add some text above this just because I want there to be something else on the page besides the letters of recommendation. So I'm going to add a paragraph of text, and then in there I'm going to type in, check out what our amazing clients have to say about us. And we will center that, and I'm going to drag it up above where the PDF goes. Okay, now saving my work, always saving my work by clicking this update button in the upper right. And our page has been updated. Now, if we go and view the page, you can click Preview up at the top, or you can click View Page at the bottom. You will see that the website is here with the PDF embedded there, and my wording that I put up above here. So the PDF has been embedded. As you can see, it's a PDF, it's not website wording. And you might be able to tell from looking at this why I don't recommend doing this a whole lot. If you were to put a couple PDFs on this page, they'd take up a lot of space. And sure, someone could scroll through them and look at them, but you'd have a big blank white space unless you were able to crop your PDFs and so forth. So really I recommend avoiding this method if you can, and actually hand typing this into the website, sort of like I typed in this text here. But of course that's up to you. So that's how you add a PDF to your RE Website Pro website.